I'm back with another sketchbook prompt page review. So it's sort of a cross between a sketchbook tour and then what goes on in my head, as far as things that I choose to capture in my sketchbook. And it always depends on the day and how I'm feeling, and or days, as you can see in this point. So this is how I've kept up this practice for 22 years, is if I can't make a day, I just account for whatever days I miss by writing the dates on the page. And you never get behind that way. So, and this is new for me, having a sketchbook with pages facing one another with color, because I tried something new for the first time. It took me 22 years to figure this out, and it was with the help of my student Annie Hooten. But previously, all my pages, because my ink often bleeds through, I could only draw on one side of the page, and I always was so envious of people that had art on both sides of their pages. And she said, why don't you glue your pages together? Because I'm missing pages every other page anyway. So I started doing that not too long ago in December, and it has completely changed the landscape of my sketchbook, as you can see here. But I am recognizing that whatever I do on this page, the color often then sort of informs the page next to it, because I don't want it to be too clashy, and that's fine. But it's a new way for me to be working and thinking about it, which is fabulous. Like, you can clearly teach this old dog new tricks. So so some of the things that I captured here, I had an open studio sale and the people that came. And so I was writing this on Monday after the fact, recuperating, slept in. I discovered this new game on my phone that it's actually really, it's teaching me things. I mean, I've been doing it since December, and it's really it really is a little up-leveling for your brain, but it's really fun. And I signed up for a course, and I'm writing here that I'm going to get this sewing machine, which in my last post, I showed you me using it for the first time, or I journaled about it. And I also have dreams of getting a cappuccino maker. And then the next 2 days, I had chatted with my brother. I just got these great, this is when I got this pen. It's a Kawiko pen. It's a fountain pen, and it's like my new favorite obsession, and I'm using it in all my sketchbooks. And so I had gotten it that day, and finding it hard to be productive. It was the Solstice, and they said a bomb cyclone blizzard was coming to Chicago. Well, I don't know if it was that bad, but of course I'm very lucky. I work from home, so I didn't have to be out traveling in it. But in Chicago, I've been very disappointed with the amount of snow we've gotten for many years. And that's just because I grew up in Wisconsin, where as a kid, there were snowbanks bigger than me. Anyhow, just sharing another couple pages with you. And if you have any questions, please post them below. And please like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more and learn more about my process.